and welcome back. So, in the Super Mario Galaxy movie, Princess Peach gets a major upgrade, one that her video game counterpart has never had. The Illumination adaptation of Nintendo's iconic characters has already reimagined Peach as more proactive, and this film takes that transformation even further. Peach teams up with Todd to venture into deep space and help Princess Rosalina. Along the way, she discovers a shocking truth. She's Rosalina's long lost sister, hidden away to protect her from a mysterious threat. While Peach hasn't traditionally had magical powers, her extraordinary physical skills hint at her hidden potential. With Rosalina's guidance, she can summon a reserve of star power enough to reshape Bowser Jr.'s artificial world into a vibrant natural one. This is a huge departure from Peach gamers have known. Introduced as the Princess Toadstool in the original Super Mario Bros., Peach was usually a damsel in distress, a plot device rather than an active hero. Even in Super Mario Bros. 2, her powers were limited and her role largely reactive. In the film, however, her connections to Rosalina grants her access to powerful abilities. Rosalina can cast massive spell, block attacks, and even manipulate dimensions. Peach is now on a path to wielding that same power, making her one of the most formidable characters in the galaxy. Looking ahead, Super Mario Bros. Moving 3 could expand on Peach's newfound abilities. She might explore deep space alongside Rosalina, encounter Daisy, or even star in her own adventure. Meanwhile, Mario and Luigi could take a supporting role, letting Peach drive the story forward. As Peach runs to control her power, future films could introduce new threats seeking her abilities or let her overcome challenges no one else could face. This could shift the franchise, positioning Peach as the central hero of the Nintendo Cinematic Universe. Peach's upgrade isn't just a small tweak, it's a game changing evolution. For fans of Nintendo and cinematic adventures alike, seeing Peach embrace her full potential is one of the most exciting developments. Thank you for watching.